Lola's making crepes. This is my hat from Lola. This is my apron. I have my name on it. Chef Maddie. Some sugar, flour, powdered sugar, butter, strawberries, eggs, Nutella, vanilla, chocolate baby. Bye. Cracking the eggs in here. With a big bowl, 1 cup of flour, eggs, milk, sugar, cut the butter, number 2, melted butter in a bowl, vanilla in here, mix it. Make sure no lumps and smells good. Wash your strawberries. Strawberries are done. They're nice and golden. Check it. Good. Put over. Nutella on halfway. Put the strawberries on half. I fold in it. Powdered sugar on top. My face. Time to go eat it now. So good. Good. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Here.
On your face.
I can't see.